Hi, this is Lanchiani, and today I'm going to be making UK apple pie bread pudding. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Here's what you'll need: milk, peeled and chopped apples, eggs, bread, cinnamon, vanilla extract, coconut sugar or brown sugar, and cornstarch. You'll need 6 slices of bread. Then cut the bread into inch squares. Now put the bread into a bowl and set it aside. Then pour 3 eggs into a bowl. Look, I made a smiley face. Then add some milk, half a cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of cinnamon. Wait a second. We'll be right back. We finally did it now. Pour it to the mixture. Now use a whisk to mix it. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a fork. Once you have combined the mixture, add bread cubes to the bowl. It's gonna be a little bit hard. Then use a spatula to stir it and let the bread cubes absorb. Once the bread cubes have absorbed the mixture, pour the bread cubes to a cake tin. There you have it. Combine 3 peeled and chopped apples, a cup of brown sugar, and also 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now let's use a whisk to mix it. Now it is combined. Spread the apples evenly on top of the bread. Now it is evenly spread. Bake it in the oven for 40 minutes. Now let's bake it for 40 minutes. We took it out of the pan and this is the result. Ta-da! Isn't it amazing? So we're gonna wait these to cool down and let's taste it. Hard. The moment of truth. Is it good? Yummy! If you enjoyed it, smash that big fat like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Bye!